Yeah.
Okay, so we just did the addition strip board. We agreed that this is a little bit more basic than using the addition to 20 beads that are right there in that tray. And if you have a learner that you're presenting this to and they seem like this is too easy, this is dumb, remind them that they're, for the servant leadership, they have to present things to Spark, so they need to learn the proper way to do this because it might be a little more appropriate for a 4, 5, 6-year-old. First presentation, but a 9-year-old should learn the right way to do it before. So this is what it looks like when it's addition. So now we're going to learn how it changes for subtraction.
So it's on the opposite side. This is the subtraction strip board. And these are switched. So the blue comes over here and the red, can you bring that back over?
So addition, blue's on the left. Subtraction, blue's on the right.
And
that's
all
to the
opposite
student.
is the board.
Opposite the board. And there's also these up here. So these are the other things. These are not here present in the addition, they're just in subtraction. So you take these wooden strips and you put them, start here and line, this is one, and you get the next one. And you have to line them all like that.
So would
wanna
you
start
line them or
looking
you
for
let this learner line?
I would start here. Yeah, you can start for, and put this little one right by 17. We don't cover up 18.
Okay.
So now you go to get 2. And sometimes when you're putting them on here, you realize, oops, I did the wrong, whoopsie. What did I do here? That doesn't belong there, so I have to move these guys over and put him in here because there's no numbers on these. These are just, it's just like a stair step going down.
This is kind of a sensorial thing, just to be able to line these up and discriminate size.
And this is where the pushing, the sliding is really important on this one. Okay, so let's push them all over. Perfect, okay. All right, now, and we got lighties over here. All right, so if you wanted to take 10, so I'm gonna put the number 10, I'm gonna slide it here, and I'm gonna put it right like this. I'm covering the numbers. Whoops, wait a minute. All right, so this problem is gonna be 10, take away,
Do you always say take away, never minus?
I don't know. Take away 4, minus, maybe minus or take away, equals, and then you end up right here, it is 6.
That top,
10,
the top
take away
one,
4 equals 6.
the top one that doesn't have a number on it, is it always lined up right there? Is that how you know it's in the right spot? Okay.
And you can see the number 10. So if you had an equation that said 10 minus 4, that's what you would find out.
Okay.
Because 6 plus 4 is 10. All right, so then, now they said in the training, you're supposed to start with 10 minus 1, 10 minus 2, 10 minus 3,
And slowly build up.
and go up, but that's, I think, again, that's for the little guys. So now when I push it, I bring it back here and I slide it back in. And I put this one back. and put this
Technically,
one-
we should have brought this out and slid this back in.
Yeah. Okay, so so I guess I would start with ones that are hard that they cannot figure out very well, like 14. Take away 5. And a lot of kids don't know that right away.
Right.
I would do a harder one like that. Equals what? 9. Take away 5 equals 9.
Okay. Why don't you do one, Katie?
Yeah. Okay, we'll put these back. And then I usually have them, if there's 2 of them, they just take turns.
Right. And should you pick which one they start with, or just let them pick anything?
Let them pick.
Okay.
So what's your problem gonna be?
8, take away 3.
Okay. Equals
5.
5. And they would write this. I mean,
Well, here, now let's grab the cards. So on the badge, it says, find some subtraction cards, take the flight training, learn how to use the subtraction strip board, using the subtraction to 20 Montessori cards, set up 10 equations with beads or with the strip board, and have your guides check them off in the boxes below. So let's go ahead and start, so each, like this, 8, take away 3 is 5, could have been one of her equations. Now put these back and draw an equation out. Now, do we have to be careful what the cards are? Because will every one of those cards work for this board? Like 13, yeah, I guess they will. Like try that, 13 minus 4. 13 take away 4, look in the box.
13 take
Say,
away
okay,
4.
can you build this for me?
Right. $13 minus 4. I think they should do 5 of these and 5 of the beads.
Okay.
I don't know.
Yeah, so we didn't specify it as well as we could have. It could have said 5, right there it could have said subtraction strip board, and right there it could have said beads. So do 5 equations with this board and 5 equations with beads instead of 10 with beads. So, but this is how you use the subtraction strip board for the subtraction to 20 badge.